If you like a good report, and who doesn't, honestly, user testing has just made it much, much easier to consolidate information from your studies into reports, as well as the ability to bring reports and information from other sources into user testing to consolidate it. Let me show you. So I'm looking at a report here. I've got a title, all the WYSIWYG editing, NPS scoring, matrix output, and actually the copied output from Insights Discovery. But what if I want to bring in other research that I've done in other places, other third-party research, whether I've done it or it's just information that I find super useful? You can now import that into user testing as well and put it right alongside all your other research and reports. So here's a very famous report, Nielsen-Norman Group, Designing for Young Adults, 18 to 25, third edition. I just click download, and then I have it on my local machine. Well, then I jump back over into user testing, and I say import report. So instead of create report, I just say import report, and I select it from my device right here, and I pick that report right there, and you can see that it is being brought into user testing when I click the import button. Takes just a few seconds to pull it in, and it is going to be done. You can see the report is right here inside of user testing. The full report, I'll scroll a little slower. The full report is here, summaries, all the detail, all the information is all here. And what has user testing done on the side? User testing even creates an AI-generated overview with a summary of the main points for you to make getting through this third-party research even easier for anyone that is sharing this information, collaborating, etc. One other thing I should have mentioned, but I didn't. You notice when you go to the upload report screen, it's not just reports, it's any type of document, documents, PDFs, PowerPoints, all kinds of things can be imported into user testing. It's just that easy. Whether you want to create reports based on the studies that you've done, or you want to bring third-party research documents, files, presentations, whatever, into user testing to make them findable, searchable, usable by all the other stakeholders and people in your organization, user testing has just made it super easy.